It was a showcase of creativity, culture, and communication as final year students in University of Technology's Communication, Arts, and Technology program brought their talents to the stage for the 11th staging of the Media Magnified exhibition. Under the theme, Creative Minds in Focus, the event was more than just a display. It was an immersive experience. Danita Rodney was there, and she brought us some highlights.
From podcasts to documentaries to digital campaigns and interactive websites, Lecture Theatre 50 at the University of Technology Jamaica was transformed into a media playground, each corner echoing the voice of a student creator. The annual exhibition is the capstone event for students in the Bachelor of Arts in Communication Arts and Technology program, where months of hard work, scripting, editing, and ideation come to life for public viewing. A major hit this year, the Media Maze, an interactive walkthrough that gave visitors a behind-the-scenes look at each project's journey. But it wasn't just students in the spotlight. Media professionals were on hand too, sharing stories and lessons from their creative paths.
I think there is this facade that social media creates. So once you get viral, you create a video and it goes viral, there's this, oh my God, my life is now together. All my finances are clear. I was sleeping on a cardboard. When I go home, because my video is viral, I'm going to be sleeping on a very comfortable bed. I'm living in a mansion. I'm rich. And I want you to understand that going viral on social media does not mean that your life is together rather. There is this illusion, as I said, there's this facade that once you go viral, once you get little views, everything is now together. Me make it, I am it, there is no turning back, me reaching alive. And I feel like a lot of things that we need to understand, especially because social media is so fleeting. Right? And it's so like there are lots of, I know this is music, but they're also in social media, I call them one-hit wonders. And then you come up and, oh my God, I'm viral, and oh my God, it's my big moment. But then what happens after that?
The world is going to pull you in many directions. You'll get many jobs, freelance, you'll get 9-to-5 work, and it's going to try and pull you away from the story that you're trying to tell. Mm-hmm. You have to find a way to not only tell that story, but see if you can use that network.
It involves, just making some time for yourself, setting aside some time. You have to do it. It is non-negotiable. Setting some time aside to prepare your mind, for those challenges that come, because you can plan and plan and plan and plan and plan again. But there are going to be challenges that arise on the ground.
So in communication, there's so many things, and you have to create your niche so people can say, okay, I want him to do my PR. I want him to do my social media. I want her to do my videography and photography. So because of how fast-paced communication is, if you're not at the top of your game, then you will be left at the wayside. If you're not at the top of your game and trying to improve yourself every single day at your craft and your skills, then you will get left behind.
In her keynote address, renowned cinematographer and director Gabrielle Blackwood shared with the budding media professionals that being a creative professional isn't just about talent, it's about respecting the journey. And for those making their mark in media, that means developing a strong work ethic and standing firm on integrity.
Being a creative professional and respecting the journey also means developing good work ethic and standing on integrity. And we heard this before. Reputation is make or break in this industry, and character is central to that. A lot of times I choose crews based on a balance of character and skill set. I will refuse to work with crew who I feel based on personalities will drag the production down, even if they're considered the best technically at what they do. It's a no-brainer. Media and filmmaking are a team effort. It's a team sport. Why lose work over someone else's behavior or hate going to work because you dread someone's personality, or have crews who personally don't get along with each other and therefore won't work well with each other?
She urged them to know their worth and protect their craft, even if it means turning down jobs.
There will be times when, as a creative, even when you're not doing well financially, you will or should, and this is a part that is also important, you will or should say no to offers that do not respect the time and effort you have put into your craft. I'm not saying be unreasonable and turn down everything, but you can gauge the sincerity of a prospective client who genuinely values what you bring to the table and one who is just looking for cheap and exploitative labor. Which is why relationships are so crucial to our industry. That's really what this is built on. The stories we not only create for exposure, but the stories we create amongst ourselves in our various relationships, in our various conversations.
The day wrapped up with awards and recognition, but for many, the real reward was the hands-on training and the confidence gained. Launched in 2014, Media Magnified continues to bridge classroom theory with industry practice, giving students a platform to shine, share, and shape the future of media in Jamaica. With each project, these final year students prove that creativity isn't just alive, it's magnified.